Hello guys, today I'm back with couscous like you have never seen it before. If you like myself and you don't like white rice, well, couscous is a healthier option. First, we're going to heat some oil in the wok. So just a little bit of oil, not too much. About 2 tablespoons. While the oil is heating, I went ahead and I've already cooked the couscous. It's very easy. I'm going to link the video above in the card, so check it out. So the oil have heated now, and we're going to fry the onions. This is onion and peppers, but I'm going to fry the onion first. So we're going to fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're tender. We are going to add the onions now, the peppers. These are red peppers and green peppers as well. Leave them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes as well. Now they have cooked, we are going ahead and add our mixed vegetables. This is peas and carrots and corn, sweet corn. These are pre-cooked, so leave them cook for about 2 minutes. So our mixed vegetables has cooked. We are going to now add it some cabbage. So I'll use this cabbage, but you can use any cabbage or any greens that you got. Remember, summer is around the corner. Actually, it's here. So if you want to be in shape and be fit, you need to become like a goat and just eat your grass. People just eat grass, honestly. This grass, but this is the best grass you ever eat. So this don't need to cook too long. Just about 2 minutes. Well, if you like them crunchy, you could leave them, you could take them out before. And this is actually the healthy grass that we all need to be eating. You want to make sure that the cabbage or the greens that you use are sliced neatly or to your liking, so that they could cook properly. Okay, these are cooked fine enough for my liking. So now I'm going to be adding the couscous. And I've went ahead and already broken up the couscous. Make sure your cooker is turned up high, because this is like a stir fry, or like a fried rice, but it's couscous. So you want to mix it properly, mix all the vegetables in properly. And now we're going to be adding our seasoning. We're going to use the same seasoning as the shrimp fried rice. I will link down the cards above and also in the description below. With addition with parsley also. And this smells so delicious. Now we're going to mix everything up, and people season to your own liking. We're going to be adding some salt as well, some pink salt. At this point you want to taste it and see if you like it. And we also add in some soy sauce. So we added some soy sauce for taste and flavor. So now we're going to be adding the last ingredient. Well, the two last ingredients. Also, we need to add in some paprika powder. This can make it taste even better. Now we're going to be adding some turmeric. Turmeric is easily becoming one of my favorite, as it has so many benefits of using turmeric. And this can change the color and make it yellow as well. So for this you need about 1 tablespoon. Depending on how much couscous you're cooking. I'm going to add some more because it's not getting the yellow color that I desire. Okay, I'm going to taste it now and see how it tastes. Mine could do with a little bit more seasoning. So I'm going back in with my Italian seasoning and some Chinese 5 spices. And some pink salt. Okay, I'm going to add some black pepper just for the taste and some aromat. And now I'm going to taste it and see how it tastes. Okay, now I'm adding the last ingredient, which is the butter. Just so it don't be dry and it could have some taste, about 2 tablespoons. And this ghee gonna just make it taste delicious. And it's the same as the shrimp fried rice, it's ghee.
And the smell.
It's really delicious, yeah. Okay, my friend have arrived, so she's going to taste it and see how it tastes. Go ahead. Let me know how it tastes.
It's lovely. She's a good cooker.
And here you have
Well
this
done.
couscous, fried couscous, a healthier alternative to white rice. Okay. Don't forget, if you like this video, comment, like, share and subscribe, and check out the other videos in the description below. Bye.
Don't forget to like,